Okay, here we go again. Let's see, what else did I accomplish? I finally finished up, and I say finally. I was looking for the right materials to finish these connecting rods up, and I finally got what I wanted and the look I wanted. So, of course, it was diamond plate. Welded in there, stiffens up the arms. Then the locking collar also got welded to it. So that helps in the performance or the strength of it. So now those are done. Plus, I got all the braces or mounting pieces completed as far as cutting them out and getting them in position. I actually changed the position of the center section. I had it at 4 degrees up. Now it's at 2 degrees. So that's going to be a change because I was a little concerned about how high I had it aiming. It was better to shallow it out, if you will, because I don't think the engine's going to be I don't believe the engine would have been 4 degrees back. So, got that in position. Now, I'm getting ready to put my connecting rods or braces in the back of the housing, and I have them mounted in place. But I needed to know where I was going to put my shocks. So to take care of that, I've now simulated approximately where they're going to go. I got to cut a hole in the piece of 6-inch pipe, and then they'll go up in through there. So that way, with that hole in there, I'll then know that these are not going to be interfering with that part of the procedure in mounting them. So this is the kind of stuff that goes on. Like this housing, me making that change. But after I decided to go to 2 degrees, if I just cut it loose in the front and bent it down, that meant that the axles came out further back on the in relation to the axle that is in the trailing arm. So I cut it loose in the back as well, moved the whole thing forward. I had only had 2 tacks before, but now I'm trying to say this is it. So I made it more tack welds to convince me that I'm not going to move it again. So I'm getting close to the point where I'm going to have to tear this down and finish all the welding. I'll be glad to get to that point so that I can say that this part of the operation will be done. I'll then have to move all this into another room because I need more space. I'll be connecting the parts that go on here and go out to connect the front end to it. So that'll be a whole new procedure, all new problems, we'll call them, good problems, and then we'll see how that all turns out. So that's enough for today. I know it's kind of short, but I'm sure you're getting tired of me talking anyway. So see you on the next adventure.